Welcome back to fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest reviews, tech breakdowns, and all things two-wheeled. Today, we're diving deep into the much-anticipated 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R, a bike that promises to redefine the middleweight supersport category. Whether you're a seasoned rider or just a fan of high-performance machines, this episode is packed with insights you won't want to miss. Let's start with the heart of the beast, the engine. The 2026 Ninja ZX-6R is powered by a 636 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled, inline four-cylinder engine. This powerhouse delivers a maximum output of 130 horsepower at 13,500 RPM, and with the Ram air system engaged, that figure jumps to an impressive 136 horsepower. Torque peaks at 69 Nm at 11,000 RPM, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and top-end performance. But it's not just about raw power. Kawasaki has refined the engine's performance with new cam profiles, intake funnels, and an updated head and collector pipe layout. These enhancements improve low RPM performance and help meet stricter emission regulations without compromising the bike's signature power delivery. Now let's talk about handling. The 2026 ZX-6R features a perimeter aluminum frame that contributes to its lightweight and agile nature. The front suspension is a 41 mm inverted fork with compression, rebound, and preload adjustability, while the rear is equipped with a unitrack monoshock offering similar adjustability. This setup allows riders to fine-tune the bike's handling to suit their preferences and riding conditions. Braking performance is top-notch, thanks to the dual 310 mm front discs paired with radial-mounted 4-piston monoblock calipers. At the rear, a single 220 mm disc provides ample stopping power. These brakes are complemented by Kawasaki's Intelligent Anti-Lock Brake System, KIBS, which ensures stable braking performance by preventing wheel lock during braking. One of the standout features of the 2026 ZX-6R is its advanced electronics package. The bike comes equipped with a quickshifter for seamless gear changes, traction control to enhance stability, and integrated riding modes to tailor the bike's performance to different riding conditions. Additionally, the full-color TFT display provides clear and concise information, while smartphone connectivity via the Radiology the app offers riders the ability to track and analyze their riding data. In terms of design, the 2026 ZX-6R carries forward the aggressive styling that the Ninja series is known for. The sharp lines, aerodynamic fairing, and LED headlights give the bike a modern and dynamic look. The compact dimensions and low seat height make it approachable for a wide range of riders, while the 17-liter fuel tank ensures ample range for both track days and spirited rides on the open road. So, who is the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R? This bike is perfect for riders who crave a blend of track-ready performance and street-friendly usability. Its advanced features, refined engine, and agile handling make it a formidable contender in the supersport segment. Before we wrap up, let's take a moment to appreciate the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R's legacy. Over the years, the ZX-6R has been a favorite among riders for its balance of performance, handling, and versatility. The 2026 model continues this tradition, pushing the boundaries of what a middleweight supersport can achieve. If you're considering adding the 2026 ZX-6R to your garage, it's worth noting that Kawasaki has introduced various color schemes and special editions to cater to different tastes. Whether you prefer the classic Kawasaki green, a sleek black, or a striking white, there's a ZX-6R that matches your style. To sum it up, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R is a testament to Kawasaki's commitment to innovation and performance. With its powerful engine, advanced electronics, and agile handling, it's a bike that offers an exhilarating riding experience both on and off the track. That's all for today's deep dive into the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja ZX-6R. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow motorcycle enthusiasts. We'd love to hear your thoughts on the ZX-6R. Drop a comment below and let us know what you think of this latest iteration. Don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth reviews and motorcycle content. Until next time, keep the rubber side down and ride safe.